So today we're going to do a video on a Stubby aerial for the MX5 Mark III. So you can get these at UK places. They're £20+. That isn't what I've done. So I've bought one from good old AliExpress. Let's see what the quality is like as we take this out. So yeah, Stubby aerial, there you go. And then it comes with a couple of different adapters for different sizes. So fairly basic. This is metal, so it's actually quite a nice, it feels aluminium, quite a nice item. Let's see how it fits into the standard fitment on the car and which adapter we need to use. So this is a standard aerial on my 3.5 MX5. Obviously it joins here. This is the main bit into the body. Let's see, should just be able to turn it. Yep. Nothing particularly wrong with these, other than they're not particularly that modern with the length of them. So this is the replacement. Let's have a look at the size. So the size is looking good actually. I had bought one of these before and it was way too narrow. So you want that to be the right size. Just going to have a look at what size this is. It's 5mm. So what we're looking for is the one that fits into the mount and it's 5mm. Let's have a quick look. Looks like it's going to be that one. So that's just going to screw into there. It has got an Allen key on the end, so what you might want to do is put a bit of screw lock onto the other end. But let's see. There you go. I think that's quite a good addition. Just cleans the lines up, takes away the big aerial, and it's cheap as chips. I'll put the link to the item in the description of the video. Didn't take, I think it took about a week to get here. So yeah, really good alternatives to some of the more expensive ones on the market. So I don't want to get done for any music stuff, but I put the radio on some chat. It's picked up signals straight away.
Maybe there needs to be tougher
no problems. Let's see. Classical.
For continuing
so yeah, everything seems absolutely fine.